Hello students, myself Nilima Gite, working as a lecturer in Kekewa Polytechnic classes. Today I am going to discuss two swing components with you, that is J password field and J progress bar. Now the first component is J password field. It is used to set the password character in a text field. This JPasswordField class it extends the JTextField class. The class defines four constructors. First is default constructor, that is JPasswordField parenthesis. Then second constructor form is JPasswordField inside the parenthesis int columns. Here columns represent the number of characters inside the password. Then third constructor form is JPasswordField string text inside the parenthesis, where text it specifies the message which is displayed inside the password field. And the last constructor form is JPasswordField inside the parenthesis string text comma int column, where text is used to specify the message which is to be displayed, and the columns is the number of characters in a text. Now let us see the example of this JPassword field. So here the JPassword field is used by using the default constructor form. So here JPassword field value is equal to new JPassword field empty parenthesis and semicolon. So it creates a empty JPassword field component where the setBounce method is used for JPassword field component to set the position of password field, which contains a 100, 100, 100, 30 parameter, where 100, 100 are the x and y coordinates, and 100 is the width of the JPassword field, and 30 is the height of password field. Then here the component is added by using f dot add inside the parenthesis value semicolon. Here the frame is used where the components are added. So to display the frame, here f dot set size method is used to set the size as 300, 300. Here set bounds method is used. So here we have to use a null layout. So to set this null layout, f dot set null layout, set layout inside the bracket null is given, and to display the frame window, f dot set visible method is given. Now when we execute this program, we will get the output like this here, password, and then here the J password field contains the password character as a solid character. If we want to set the another password character or echo character instead of this solid circle, we can use the set echochar method of J text field. So here you can use value dot set echochar and inside the parenthesis in single quote at the rate, where the echo character will be set as a at the rate. Now the second component is JProgressBar. It is used to display the progress of any task. Now this class it defines four constructor. The first is default constructor, JProgressBar, and then empty parenthesis. This constructor it will create a horizontal progress bar. Then second constructor form is having min and max value, where minimum and maximum value of progress bar is set. Third constructor form is JProgressBar inside the parenthesis int orient, where we can mention the orientation of progress bar. If we want to display the horizontal progress bar, then we will be using this orient value as swing constants dot horizontal. If we want to display the vertical scroll bar, then we will be using swing constants dot vertical value. Then the last constructor form consists of three parameters, where orient is the orientation of progress bar and minimum and maximum value of progress bar. Now this progress bar class it defines method like void setString painted inside the parenthesis boolean b. This method is used to determine whether the string value is displayed or not. If this boolean b is equal to true, then here can display the string value or the current value of progress bar. Then void set string inside the parenthesis string s. So this method is used to set the string s for the progress bar. Void set orientation inside the parenthesis int orientation method is used to set the orientation of progress bar. Here we can use the values as swing constants dot horizontal or swing constants dot vertical. Then the last method is void set value inside the parenthesis int value is used to set the current value on the progress bar, which is specified by value parameter. Now let us see the example of the progress bar. So here in this example, the frame class is declared and the JProgressBar object is declared. Inside the constructor, the progress bar object is created as JB is equal to new JProgressBar inside the parenthesis 0, 2000 where 0 is minimum value and 2000 is the maximum value. Then setBounce method is used to set the position of JProgressBar as 40, 40 as the x and y coordinate, 160 is the width of JProgressBar and 30 is the height of JProgressBar. Then the current value on the progress bar is set by using jb.setValue inside the parenthesis 0 semicolon. Then the setStringPrinted method is used to determine whether the string is displayed or not. So here true value is given. It means the value is or the string is displayed. Then finally here the JProgressBar is added. Now here one more method is defined which is the incremental method which is used to increment the value of progress bar after some delay. Okay. So for that here while loop is used. The condition is given as I is less than or equal to 2000. So here maximum value of progress bar is used. So when the I value it becomes 2000 then loop will be terminated otherwise it will be continued. Inside the while loop here set value is used to set the current value on the progress bar and that current value is mentioned by using a I variable. After displaying the current value here the progress bar value is incremented by 20 using I is equal to I plus 20. Then the delay is provided by using thread.slip which is given inside the try catch block. Then in main method the progress bar object is created by using progress bar example m is equal to new progress bar example and the incremental method is called. When we execute this program, we will get the output like this. Here the progress bar is displayed, which contains the current value as a 67% by using that set value method. Hope you understand this, students. Thank you.